Hey guys, showing you this Crave lightning cable, and this cable can be used for charging, data transfer or anything. Comes in a really nice box and like the protective box. So just open this to show you. So once this is open, you can see the cable. This is the lightning cable. Let me just open. So one is the USB side and the other is the lightning side. So these are used for the iPads or iPhones, and this is a highly quality built cable that you can see it here from the corner, and the braided cable, and this one is the lightning side. So just putting in the things, fitting is not a problem, it easily goes well, and just putting in the USB side in the charging thing. So you can see the charging started. So they are good cables and high quality and can be used for the data transfer as well. So basically a nice thing to do and to use and have a handy as an extra lightning cable.